everyone. Today we are going to discuss about prism. What is a prism? A prism is a 3D shape with two faces called the bases that are congruent and parallel and where all cross sections are also congruent to the bases. Look at this definition. It says that a prism is a three-dimensional shape and this shape has two faces and these faces are called as bases. They are congruent and parallel. And also all cross sections are also congruent to the base. Now look at the parts of a prism. A prism has four parts: vertex, edge, lateral face and base. Now let us look at the definition of each part of a prism. Bases: two identical faces that are parallel to each other. Lateral faces: rectangular faces that connect the bases. Edges: lines where the lateral faces meet. Vertices: corners where the edges meet. Now let us discuss about prism with the help of figures. Look at these two figures. Here in the first figure, the basis is two triangles and the prism is connected with the help of rectangular blocks. While in the second figure, the identical basis is rectangle and these rectangles are connected with the help of other rectangular blocks. Thus it forms a prism. In the first figure, we can see that the polygon connected by the rectangles is a triangle. Thus we can name this prism as the triangular prism. While in the second figure, we can see that the polygon connected is a rectangle. Thus, it is a rectangular prism. Thus, we can say that a prism is a solid object with two identical ends called as the basis, all flat sides, that is the polyhedron, same cross section all along its length. The shape of the ends gives the prism a name. That is the basis which decides the name of the prism. So, according to this basis, we have different types of prism. Different types of prism. In the first figure, we can see that the basis is a triangle. Thus, it is a triangular prism. In the next figure, it is a square. So, it is a square prism. Look at the next figure. Here, what is the basis? It is a pentagon. Hence, it is called as pentagonal prism. Look at the next figure. It is a rectangle. So, it is a rectangular prism. Now, what is the name of next prism? Here, the base is a hexagon. Thus, it is called as hexagonal prism. And the next figure, here, the basis is trapezium. Thus, it is called as trapezoidal prism. Now, there is another type of prism, quadrangular prism. A quadrangular prism is a three-dimensional solid object with two identical quadrilateral bases and four rectangular lateral faces. It means that any quadrilateral which is a base of prism, then we can say that it is a quadrangular prism. For example, square prism, rectangular prism, trapezoidal prisms are quadrangular prisms. Properties of different prisms. Triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 2 triangular and 3 rectangular, 9 edges and 6 vertices. The next one is a rectangular prism. It has 6 faces. In this, all faces are rectangular. 12 edges, 8 vertices. Next one is a square prism. It has 6 faces, 2 squares and 4 rectangular. 12 edges, 8 vertices. Next one is a pentagonal prism. It has 7 faces, 2 pentagonal and 5 rectangular, 15 edges and 10 vertices. Next one is a hexagonal prism. It has 8 faces, 2 hexagonal and 6 rectangular, 18 edges and 12 vertices. Heptagonal prism, 9 faces, 2 heptagonal and 7 rectangular. It has 19 edges and 14 vertices. Thus we have discussed about different types of prism and its property. Now we can look at the real life examples of prism. Look at all these figures. They are some of the real life examples of prism.